Welcome to CarZone 2024, where today we are diving into the 2025 Nissan Patrol, a powerhouse in the SUV world. This latest model represents a significant evolution in the Patrol's storied history, which dates back to the late 1950s. Over the decades, the Patrol has built a reputation for rugged reliability and off-road prowess, and the 2025 version continues this tradition with a fresh, modern twist. At first glance, the 2025 Patrol commands attention with its bold and aggressive exterior design. The front fascia features a prominent V-motion grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide both style and enhanced visibility. The grille's chrome accents add a touch of sophistication, while the muscular headlines hint at the power beneath. Moving to the sides, the Patrol showcases robust wheel arches and a strong character line that accentuates its rugged nature. The large alloy wheels, available in various finishes, not only enhance the Patrol's imposing stance but also contribute to its off-road capabilities. The side profile is further complemented by functional roof rails, perfect for carrying extra gear for those adventurous getaways. The rear of the 2025 Patrol maintains a strong visual impact, with its wide, angular taillights and a redesigned bumper that features integrated sensors for added safety. A rear spoiler and a rear windscreen wiper are functional elements that also enhance the vehicle's sporty look. Performance-wise, the 2025 Patrol's exterior design is more than just aesthetics. The aerodynamic enhancements contribute to improved fuel efficiency and stability at high speeds. Additionally, the reinforced chassis and underbody protection ensure the Patrol is ready to tackle rough terrains and off-road challenges with confidence. This new model also introduces advanced features like the Nissan Intelligent Rearview Mirror, which provides a clear view of the road behind, even with a full load, and the 360-degree camera system that aids in parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. In conclusion, the 2025 Nissan Patrol offers a compelling blend of rugged design, advanced features, and impressive performance, making it a standout choice for those who demand both style and capability from their SUV. Stay tuned to CarZone 2024 for more in-depth reviews and automotive insights, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates on your